In this course, I will talk about general lessons that other countries can learn from China in China's monumental efforts in lifting about 800 million population from absolute poverty.
In this course, we will discuss the historical development and media representation of poverty eradication in China.
I will introduce to you about China's practice and the experience on poverty eradication in this course.
Climate change has become a realistic and urgent crisis and a severe and long-term challenge. We'll come to study the global climate change and its response from the perspective of carbon neutrality.
How we can achieve carbon neutrality within such a short time. Please join us to explore the solutions in the lecture.
Hello, I'm going to talk about the designs and plannings of the venues of Beijing 2022 Winter Games.
If you want to know how advanced and green technologies are applied to the game, how splendid the venue designs are, how colorful the Winter Olympic history is, welcome to join us.
This course is an interesting and wonderful journey to discover Chinese national parks, world heritage, and protected areas. Let's protect our Mother Earth together.
Our topics will cover new energy power, autonomous driving, safety, design, and others.
Welcome to Tsinghua SEM's 2021 Global Open Courses. We will focus on topics that cover both technology and business.
The core feature of the course is it is deeply rooted in Chinese practices.
How to use science to increase well-being, to make you happier, more energetic, and to become a better person. Positive psychology is for you.
See you in Global Open Courses.
See you in Global Open Courses.
See you in Global
See you
Open
in
Courses.
the
See you
Global
in
Online
Global
Courses.
Open Courses.
See
you in Global Open Courses.